How are you doing? You said you're busy. What does that mean? Tell me more.
I'm currently on the court appointed list for misdemeanors
Mhm.
in Franklin County. So in one of my counties in the district, with my name being out there from court appointed, I'm getting a lot of retained clients as well.
Mm. So why'd you go back to Franklin?
Franklin was an accident. It was not planned because I had said, yeah, probably not going to come back home. But COVID hit and it made sense for me to move back home to finish out my last year of law school since it was virtual.
Mhm.
And then I also interned with an attorney back at home and just saw like, hey, there's actually a lot of money to be made out here as a lawyer. I was like, yeah, I'm gonna just go ahead and open up shop.
Yeah. So was that a good decision?
Oh yes, I think it was the best decision actually. Learning to set boundaries with like prices and things like that. Like you could tell me a sob story and I didn't realize, I was charging substantially less, and I still am, but I was charging substantially less than the other lawyers. The most satisfying is I'm my own boss. I set my own schedule. I'll get someone who I've represented on 2 to 3 cases and they have something that they're not sure about. And like, I can help them out. Like, let me check on this for you, give you this information, just for free, whatever. Like I don't have to answer to someone else. If I want to
Mhm.
do that, I can do that.
Yeah.
As a lawyer, we all know like we're more than just lawyers. We're like counselors. Sometimes have to try to figure out. I have some figure out rod situations. I'm just more than just someone's lawyer, which I guess I could just not do it, but I don't want my clients get arrested because they couldn't get a ride to work when I could have helped. I would say my monthly income with everything, court appointed, I ticket and the retained, my range would be between 5K on a slower month to 5 to 9. I just had my first jury trial and I was kind of like thrown into that. And a lot
Mhm.
of people, because it was a court appointed case, a lot of people have like really complimented me, patted me on my back, and told me I've done more than like 60 or 70% of the lawyers in my area because they don't really do jury trials.
Hmm.
And I just want to make sure that I'm the best counsel that anyone could get, whether that's court appointed or retained. Because you always hear people say, court appointed attorneys don't care. And I take offense to that now that I'm court appointed. Everything I do, I care for. You wouldn't be able to tell who's court appointed versus retained if you were in court with me.
That's great. Well, I'm glad to know you.